Kamiko, what are you doing? Eleni, what's she doing? Why don't you guys go do something besides follow me? Moon. And if you can't tell, Moon is shedding. See? Here's Eleni. She is now due to have puppies around July 15th. Kamiko will be having Akita puppies. Well, leave Rainbow alone. Sorry, around July 10th. Violet's done. Moon next year. And Beowulf is the inappropriate boy who keeps making babies around here. Oh my god, guys, come on. And Beowulf keeps getting his butt whooped by all the girls because he won't leave them alone. Mrs. Rainbow. Rainbow's about 1.5 years old now. There's my beautiful little Violet. And Beowulf. He's about 1.5 years also. Moon's just over 1 year. Crazy little black gum monster. You guys want to go inside? I know it's 70 degrees. It's hot, huh? And by the way, so we know breeds: Akita, Caucasian Ovcharka, peeing Tibetan Mastiff, Asian Bear Dog, and Asian Bear Dog.